Oh, well, today I'm gonna teach you something new. Yes, I'm in the bathroom. No, I'm not gonna teach you how to do that. You should already know how to do that. So, well, let me go ahead and finish business here, finish up paperwork, and I'll get right to you. So what do you do to clean your toilet bowl and get the ring out? And so here's our toilet there. As you can see, it's not that dirty, but you can sometimes see a ring around right there. So you can go ahead and use something like this. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. Go ahead and use your toilet brush. See, I can still see that ring around there. And no matter what you do, how much you scrub it, you're not going to get rid of it. There is a way of getting rid of it, and I'll show you that in a second here. What you can always do is use paper towel to clean this off a little bit better. But what I want to show you is that ring in there, how to get rid of it. One more thing, before I get into showing you how to go ahead and clean the toilet and install a new toilet seat, I want to go ahead and let you know at the end of this video, I got something special to show you how you do windows and mirrors and how you don't get streaks in them. So stay all the way till the end of this video, and I'll show you that special technique I got on how you don't get those streaks and get a nice clean glass. Thank you. Best way to get rid of that ring is using one of these. That's what it comes like. And I'll go ahead and start getting that ring. So now right there, let's see, right there you see the water level. It's right here. And then you see the ring right there. How to get rid of that? I'm going to be working on it right now. So there you have it. No more watermark on the toilet. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change the toilet seat. The problem you have sometimes with the toilet seat is you leave it up, your wife wants you to put it down, and it drops pretty dang hard. So I'm going to put this toilet seat on. That is... If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. Toilet seat I got here is an easy close, so I'll go ahead and show you how I take the old toilet seat off. You might need a screwdriver and some pliers. So you just have to unscrew those, hold it from the bottom. Either if it's not too tight, you can do it with your fingers, otherwise you can use the pliers, and you loosen those up. And now you can do some cleaning there. Use all-purpose cleaner, Windex, whatever you want to use. You could use a sponge, little brush that you would have just for your toilet. Now's the opportunity to clean this really good, because when you put the toilet seat on, you're not going to be able to clean it that good. And my recommendation is do not put the paper towels down the toilet. So if you want to get it any more cleaner than that, you can go ahead and use this guy. Clean toilet seat, ready for the new toilet seat to be put on. So when you get a new toilet seat, what you want to do is you want to measure it from right down here, the edge of the bowl, in between right here, the two holes, and that measures 16.5 on this bowl. So you make sure you get the right toilet seat, 16.5, and then you don't have no problem, and you don't have to go back to the hardware store where you bought it from to bring it back. So here's our new toilet seat. You got your few parts for it, and inside you got the directions. So there's the directions. Very simple. Basically, right there you have your bolt and you have your nut. This goes down to the bottom. This is on the bottom, so you go ahead and put this through the hole on the toilet and hold this, and as you're turning with a 1/2-inch wrench, you keep on turning it all the way till it's tightened, and this actually breaks off, and then you know it's tight enough. These right here just pop off like that. So you line it up. Put these three like that. This part is on the bottom. once you got it fairly tight, you can adjust the toilet seat. Go ahead and use this ratchet wrench. You can go ahead and use an open end or a closed end wrench, or you can use a socket, put it on there. I got one of these. So you hold on the bottom and just start tightening. Make sure it is straight. And you keep tightening it until it breaks off. So you have this broken off, and then you can see right here, you can use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen it if you need to in the future. So these little things right here, you wind up throwing away. And then, like I said, you can go ahead and put a screwdriver in there to loosen it up again. Then you put these caps over and you don't see the screws anymore. So there's the brand new toilet seat. And like I said, we got the easy close. So now men can go to the bathroom here and they don't have to bend over, they just go like that and it closes nice and easy. And if you want to do the lid too, alright, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is have your, there you go, nice and easy close. Window spray. And then you go ahead and get a couple of sheets of paper towel. And there you go, that's how you install the brand new toilet seat. Thank you for watching. So, wipe down the mirror real good. And you want to take your dry paper towel and go ahead and clean it. Get anything off of it that might be, like toothpaste or smudges, anything like that on there. Make sure you clean it really good. And then now, since it looks pretty clean everywhere, sometimes you gotta really work it hard. And then you might even have to put a little bit more Windex in certain spots. But now what you do, this is the secret, you take this paper towel, you can use it for another window or glass or whatever. You take brand new paper towel that hasn't been used, it's nice and dry. You go over the whole glass, back and forth like this. And this is buffing it out, so if there's any streaks or, just gets rid of them. That's the key, dry paper towel. So when you do this on other windows and glass, you go ahead and use this. That's a little bit damp, and it'll get really damp. But you always use a dry one to buff it out. And you'll get nice glass mirrors that look like that. There you go. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.